Hi, this is my introduction. Done my BE in Electrical Engineering and Masters from London University. I have 15 years of experience in oil and gas for refineries and power project and power plant and infrastructure projects. Work for control and application in Abu Dhabi also for oil and gas refineries. And I have experience in sizing calculation of transformer, generator sets, UPS sizing calculation. Also involved in installation design, turnkey project solutions, and this video is basically about new ways to store and generate energy so that we can we don't have to depend on oil and gas. So these are new ways to generate energy. And let's start with my first slide, interconnected grid. And if you see the sun is shining, and if the globe is rotating, then every time the sun energy means it will incident on solar panel, and the grid which is connected will transmit it over the whole globe. So you don't have to rely on fossil like coal and oil and gas, because 24 hours you are getting a power of sun, and that converted to energy, and interconnected grid will solve the problem. Hi, let's start with our new slides. This hydrogen generation. Here we can see that this project will eliminate our dependency on oil and gas projects, because we are entirely using new resources like hydrogen. Hydrogen here on slides I can show. This is a basic introduction, but I don't want to go through details. Here you can see source of water which can be used, and the solar panel are used to split the hydrogen. H2O means water can be split into two particles, hydrogen and oxygen. This is laboratory explanations of hydrolysis process, where you can split two molecules of hydrogen and oxygen. There is a strong bonding between these two molecules, and hence to split this we need energy used by solar panel. And from that, these are commercial available hydrogen generators available in the market. You can split the H2 and O, and after that you can store it in a container by compressing the hydrogen to huge container. And these are commercial available hydrogen pumping stations, where you can pump your hydrogen into the cars. These are some introduction slides about how hydrogen car are running in the market. I know this is not the new project, but I have in next video I have explained everything, like what are the different applications of hydrogen. And for that this is also one slide explaining like a fuel cell. If you capture the hydrogen into this water, then if you release it, then plates of fuel cell will convert hydrogen to electricity. And this is the introduction lecture about how can we use the hydrogen, and the different explanations about energy storage and use of hydrogen in power plant. Hydrogen. See, you can install a solar panel on top of your roof, and then you can do a splitting by using hydrogen generator. You can store it in a cylinder by compressing, and this hydrogen can be used for different applications. I have explained two applications. If you use it for air conditioning, you can just simply release the hydrogen to the indoor unit of air condition, and then it will create a cooling effect. This is the one slide. Second slide, introducing that you can use it for cooking also. The stored gas can be used for cooking. And third is this is commercially available hydrogen generator, and used for gas geysers also, for making your water hot. And other thing is if you store it in the oil silos, these silos are used these are oil containers, but you can use to store the hydrogen gas into the silos and use to operate a gas turbine. This is gas turbine. And the main innovation nowadays is these gas turbines are available with hydrogen gas application. So now the General Electric has made these hydrogen gas turbines, and this gas turbine when rotate, this is the principle of rotation. When the gas comes in, it is compressed, and when it is compressed, and you have to just ignite the gas, and it blows out, and it will rotate the outer wings, and so that the inner wings are rotating fast, and sucking the more gas inside and more air, and it blast and exhaust out. That it in turns it rotate the turbine to high speed. These turbines are used to generate to rotate a generator, and you can generate a 500 MVA. You can use 500 MVA generator. So that this is a commercial application of hydrogen gas to generate energy, and it is eco-friendly. You can reduce the carbon footprints, and this is a hydrogen gas turbine used commercially, and it is newly manufactured by General Electric. Thank you. So these are some slideshows I want to introduce. Again, this gas geyser, and these are the applications. Like store gas can be used for air conditioning. Energy storage is an advantage, and project implementation can be done on rooftop or many industrial applications. This is commercial available hydrogen generator, and cooking used for cooking. And other feature which I have to introduce, instead of using this hydrogen tank, you can use two tanks on your rooftop, and one it is compressed with freon gas, so that freon gas can be used for air conditioning, because hydrogen is quite explosive. So freon gas is even to compress the freon gas you need energy, and you can use it from solar panel. The batteries are worse kind of thing. Maybe I am saying like because after 8 years you have to throw out the batteries. So if you store the gas in a compressed form, then you don't have to there is no declining efficiency. Efficiencies of the batteries will decay with time, but this will, I hope this will produce a new ways to store energy. This is new way to store energy. Thank you.